नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject named Data Warehousing and Mining. Now the topic of today's session is MOLAP. These are the topics which I have covered in this session. What is OLAP? What is MOLAP? Advantages of MOLAP and disadvantages of MOLAP. OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing. OLAP is a category of software that allows user to analyze information from multiple database systems at the same time. And it is a technology that enables analysts to extract and view business data from different points of view. And what is MOLAP? It is basically the OLAP, one of the OLAP server. First one is the ROLAP and second is MOLAP. Third one is the hybrid of MOLAP and ROLAP. Okay. So in this I have discussed the second OLAP server, that is MOLAP. This is the more traditional way of OLAP analysis, of course. And in MOLAP, data is stored in a multi-dimensional cube, and in ROLAP, data is stored in a relational database. Okay, so the storage is not in the relational database but in proprietary formats. So this MOLAP is an alternative to the ROLAP, that is a relational ROLAP technology. Well, both ROLAP and MOLAP analytic tools are designed to allow analysis of data through the use of a multidimensional data model. MOLAP differs significantly in that in some software it requires the pre-computation and storage of information in the queue, and the operation is known as this processing. Okay. Now the most MOLAP solutions store these data in optimized multidimensional array storage rather than in a relational database, that is in ROLAP, and there are many methodologies and algorithms for efficient data storage, aggregation and implementation specific business logic with the MOLAP solution. And as a result there are many misconceptions to what the term specifically implies. Now come to the advantages of MOLAP. This is the fast query performance due to optimized storage, multidimensional indexing and caching. Smaller on-disk size of data compared to data stored in relational database due to compression techniques, automated computation of higher level aggregates of the data, and it is of course very compact for low dimensional data sets. Array models provide natural indexing, effective data extraction achieved through the pre-structuring of aggregate data. Now come to the disadvantages of MOLAP. Within some MOLAP solutions, the processing step, that is data load, can be quite lengthy. Okay, so especially on large data volumes, this is usually remedied by doing only incremental processing, that is processing only the data which have changed instead of reprocessing the entire data. Okay, so because reconstruction is very expensive, you can say. So MOLAP tools traditionally have difficulty querying models with dimensions with very high cardinality, like millions of members. Okay, so some MOLAP products have difficulty updating and querying models with more than 10 dimensions, and this limit differs depending on the complexity and cardinality of the dimensions in question, and it also depends on the number of facts or measures stored. Other MOLAP products can handle hundreds of dimensions, Okay, so some MOLAP methodologies introduce data redundancy. Now this is all about MOLAP. This is a question for practice. Explain MOLAP, write its advantages and disadvantages. Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.